We have all been sold a story, a grand and pervasive myth that has defined generations of ambition. The story goes like this. Put in your 10,000 hours, burn the midnight oil, outwork everyone in the room, success will inevitably be yours. We were taught to wear our exhaustion like a badge of honor, equate long hours with high value, believe the path to wealth was paved with sacrifice and relentless effort. This is the great deception, a well-marketed illusion that has trapped millions in busyness. The inconvenient truth: hours worked no longer equals wealth. Those who cling to that dogma are being left behind. The world has changed, the advice hasn't. We still hear rise and grind from old-era gurus, some of whom use automation while preaching manual effort. The winners today work the smartest, not just the hardest. The most powerful force in the universe is not hard work, it is leverage. Archimedes famously said, "Give me a lever long enough and a fulcrum, and I shall move the world." In the 21st century, our levers are not wood and steel. They are forged from code, media, capital. They let one person achieve the output of 100. Understanding and applying leverage is the single most important skill to escape the time for money trap. It is the new currency. Those who accumulate it gain an almost unfair advantage over people trading only labor. The most accessible, potent forms today are technology media. Technology, especially software and artificial intelligence, is a force multiplier. A single line of code, a well-designed automation, a trained AI agent can replace entire teams. These digital levers work 24/7, never get tired, and can be duplicated at virtually zero cost. Your output is no longer limited by hours worked. It's limited by how well you deploy these tools. Media is another powerful lever. A single piece of content, a YouTube video, a blog post, a podcast episode, a social media thread, can reach millions with no extra effort after creation. Each piece is an asset, a digital salesperson working around the clock, building reputation, attracting an audience, generating leads. One person grinds 80 hours a week answering customer emails, posting on social media, chasing leads, and hits an income ceiling. Another spends hours designing automation, AI chatbots for customer service, scheduling software for social media, targeted ad campaigns for lead generation, then focuses on high-level strategy and personal freedom. First person, laborer in their own life, trading time for money. Second, architect building assets that earn without them. Both work hard. Only one builds real wealth. Not condemning hard work. Effort, focus, discipline matter. But application matters. Wrong work. Burnout, not breakthrough. Redirect energy to design systems that work for you. Shift identity, doer, designer, from soldier in the trenches to the general drawing the plan. The illusion promises reward for pain. Modern reality rewards intelligence, foresight, and machines that work while you sleep. The traditional image of a successful business involves a bustling office, a large org chart, dozens, if not hundreds, of employees. That model is becoming a relic of a bygone industrial era. Today, we're witnessing the rise of the one-person enterprise, the solopreneur, who leverages technology and systems to build a multi-million-dollar business with minimal overhead and zero employees. This is not a fantasy, it is an increasingly common reality made possible by tools once reserved for large corporations. The new age entrepreneur is not a manager of people, but an orchestrator of systems, a conductor leading a digital orchestra. The secret lies in delegating not to humans, but to software. Build a stack that handles repetitive, low-value tasks. CRMs track leads and conversations automatically. Email platforms nurture with pre-written sequences. AI helps generate ideas and first drafts. No-code storefronts without a single line of code. In the old world, capital was money, machinery, buildings. In the new digital economy, a new form of capital has emerged: content. An article, a video, a podcast, a useful guide is not just media. It's a productive asset, a digital property that appreciates, attracts attention, builds trust, and generates leads. Unlike employees who go home at 5, your content works relentlessly, around the clock, across the globe. A tireless army of salespeople you pay once, at creation. Think of each piece of content as a seed you plant on the vast farm of the internet. A single well-crafted blog post that answers a common question can attract organic traffic for years. A helpful YouTube tutorial is discovered daily, establishes authority, and funnels prospects to your site. Each seed can grow into a tree that bears fruit, email subscribers, new customers, brand recognition, long after you move on. This is how you decouple income from time. Build a portfolio of assets that produce value. The true power is unlocked when your content army connects to your digital workforce, an automated sales and marketing machine. First, high-value content, the bait, attracts a potential customer. Second, a call to action prompts a free resource for their email. Third, an automated email sequence delivers value, builds a relationship, and eventually presents an offer. At no point were you required to be personally involved. It's not about getting your name out there. It's about a library that generates revenue. Section 6. The Architect's Mindset. Designing your life. The fundamental shift you must make is one of identity. Stop seeing yourself as a worker, a grinder, or a hustler. Adopt the identity of an architect. An architect doesn't lay bricks. They design the blueprint, structure, systems, flow, into a strong, functional, beautiful whole. Your life and business are the building, and you are its chief designer. Prioritize thinking and design over doing. Most jump into action, driven to be busy, The architect resists. An hour of thoughtful design can save 100 hours of misguided labor. Instead of, what do I need to do today? Ask, what system can I build that eliminates this work forever? Or, what 20% yields 80% of results? Design your life with intention. Guard your energy. Automate bills, reorders, workouts. Minimize decision fatigue. Section 7. The Ruthless Audit. Eliminating the unnecessary. Clear the land. Log your week. Be brutally honest. Write down everything. Time wasters. Distractions. Legacy commitments. Go line by line. Label. E. Eliminate. A. Automate. D. Delegate. If it doesn't contribute to your goals, it has to go. Repetitive, rule-based tasks? Software handles it. Buy back your time. Delegate anything outside your unique genius. What remains is a short list of high-leverage work, your architect zone. Section 8. The Execution Filter. Why most will fail. The gap between knowing and doing is the widest chasm in the world. Information about how to work smarter, build systems, leverage technology is abundant and often free. Yet most who consume it see no change. They nod along, feel inspired, then return to old habits. This is the great execution filter. The filter isn't smarts or resources. It's fear of imperfection and addiction to passive learning. Waiting for perfect is sophisticated procrastination. Blueprints are living. The best systems are built, tested, broken, improved. Embrace good enough for now. Build the smallest working version and ship it. Don't automate everything. Just schedule meetings. Don't launch 10 episodes. Release 1. Small action builds momentum and gives immediate feedback. It's a test of character. Choose the discomfort of action over the comfort of consumption. Be willing to look foolish, make mistakes, and create imperfect things. Section 9. Your Blueprint for Action, from Spectator to Architect. The era of glorifying the endless grind is coming to a close. The new path to wealth, freedom, impact is not paved with more hours, but with better systems. It is the path of the architect. Hard work is not dead, but its definition has evolved. From brute force of labor to intelligence of design. You understand that leverage, not labor, is the new currency. Content becomes capital. A digital workforce amplifies you 1,000-fold. Ruthlessly eliminate the unnecessary to make room for the essential. Knowledge without action is merely entertainment. The time for spectating is over. The time for architecture has begun. This week, commit to this simple plan. First, eliminate one recurring low-value task. Second, automate one repetitive digital task, even if it's just a common email template. Third, create one single piece of content that answers a real question. These are your orders. This is your call to action. The tools are here. The strategies are clear. The only variable is you. Stop reading. Start building. Pick one task. Automate it now. That's how the revolution in your life begins.